Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, but no go want miss this. The menu is now out. So people, it's time to choose your favorite meals. How to do so? Send us a DM at Xpressionzja on Instagram, or you can send us a WhatsApp at 1-876-504-8773. So it has to be in order 1, 2, 3 to 6.
Alright.
No, alright. Take turns.
After you go.
So after you select,
Then Shelly.
you don't find your one, Shelly.
So Shelly. Okay.
Yes.
What color is here then?
Yellow.
Yellow,
So
okay.
Shelly's looking for
So remember you find
green
the
one.
number 1.
We have to see it. So you skip that turn.
Yeah, so put it back there.
So your turn. Alright. That's 4, put it back. Your turn. Remember to
Jesus Christ!
Remember, I need to see them.
Skip.
Alright. 1. Yeah, put on that now.
Put
So
it
start
here.
count now. Go again. 2. Wow.
Yes. Alright, put it back. So you lose a turn, Shelly.
Your turn. I hope you were looking.
So I have to count in my color.
Yeah.
Yes.
Say thank you.
God bless.
Your turn again.
Yeah, man, they know that part. They just have to jiggle my body and yeah. She's on.
So we get 1, 2.
The
So
tree.
It is given probably end up turn. Another person. If you turn it over some kind of seat.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Turn it over and see. Go again. 3, 4.
Alright.
Wow.
Alright. Hey.
Not touch it. Skip.
Skip.
Skip. Who you?
Skip.
Skip. I just say skip. I so much skip the whole place. Me try you. Alright.
It's not sure.
What?
Remember
2.
She not remember. You may look rough.
Do you remember?
Do you remember?
Wow, keep it.
Go on.
Hot color look on down.
Hey! What you say?
6. Alright, I reach a 6. Hot color look on down.
remember.
Alright.
Something you know.
No man, too much skipping at that game.
Yeah man, how so much skipping that again?
Everything is equal.
3. Hey! Come on, man.
You know, flip your cards.
No, just take up.
Yeah.
Shelly, your time.
Please do flip your cards. Right.
Right. Come on, man. Skip. What the name is?
Somebody there, I say, over there, so Shelly, over there.
Yeah,
so
cause
Shelly,
people may look on the screen and us, don't tell me where to go.
No,
What am I going to tell you for
I'm
go?
gonna tell Shelly where to go. 1. Shelly,
Me, I go play a wait. Don't rush me.
what's your?
No, not down there, socially. Not there, socially.
5.
The game will finish tonight, you know?
3.
Skip.
Then cry the offer now.
I don't miss it.
Just the instincts. I remember.
You know.
Don't you don't.
Miss something. Because I
Boom.
think me know enough.
It's only knowing.
Put it
No,
right
no.
there.
Go again, right?
No, you win.
I'm a win.
Get
People,
another list of
you know
1 to
something?
6.
It's getting too easy, man.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, I know.
No worry. Next weekend now win. Next weekend now win.